So for this exercise, we're going to try to create a rook or a castle in chess. So the main component that we're going to do, or the main object that we're going to try to use, would then be a cylinder. So we're going to remove the cube. So we press X, and then we press Shift A. Try to use a mesh, which is a cylinder. So we're going to start off modeling using this cylinder. Now, as you follow along, you'd be able to see some of the controls that we're going to use in the edit mode of Blender. We're going to press on Tab, so you're now in edit mode. Press A twice, so that you are going to be having your selection this way. Now, we're going to try to have the top portion, selecting face. I grab it and place it down. So we are going to try to create a base for our rook. Now, we're going to try to use eye or inset. And then we're going to make it smaller. Okay, let me zoom in. I grab and place it a little higher. Then, try to have it inset once again. And then I make it a bit smaller even. Then, I'm going to extrude via the z-axis. So it goes up a bit. Then, I'm going to scale it up. Now, if you aren't able to see the view from below, you can actually change the view by pressing 1 or by changing your views here. So top right corner allows you to see or change your views. So I'm currently here at my right front orthographic view. So if I press Z, I'm looking at my wireframe so that I'm deselecting all of the items that I have here. There. Next, I'm going to extrude via my Z-axis. So it goes up. Okay. Then I'm going to inset a bit. And then I'm going to extrude once again. There. Extrude. Then let's try to go up. Then let's scale it down. S. There. Extrude. Scale. Now, let me change the view. So, I press Z so that I'm in solid mode. Now, the reason why I've changed to wireframe so that I'd be able to select everything at the other side. So, if you're going to try to see in solid mode, you only are able to see one side. If you would like to have it in a different view, which is wireframe, you're selecting everything up until the other side of the object. So let me demo it in this view. So press Z, you're going to go to wireframe. As you're selecting, you're only selecting one side. Okay. So notice as I'm rotating, I've only selected this side. However, if you would like to select all of them, so if you're in solid mode, once I select face, I am only able to select just the ones facing me. Just the ones that I am able to see. But if you are in wireframe view, so press Z. Okay. you'd be able to select everything, including the ones from the back. You can also try to click on the upper right hand corner here to select solid or wireframe view. Okay, so let's go back to solid mode. Solid. Now let's try to model the top portion. So press shift then middle mouse to pan down. Then I'm going to select this portion. So let's try to go press inset. We're going to try to place the tower now. And then this creates or separates the inner circle from the outer circle. So I'm now going to try to select the faces outside. Two. I think two would be better. So if you have selected a face, so this is how you would select a vertex, an edge, or a face. You can simply try to click it once again. I'm holding down shift so that I can select multiple faces at the same time. Okay. Now once selected, you can press on E to extrude. Then you press Z so that it extrudes upwards. Okay. So this is the basic way by which you're able to create a rook. So press on tab. Okay, so there you have it. A very simple way of trying to create a rook as a chess piece in Blender.